Breaking news. Have you seen that the truth I have been saying about Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa has finally come out? According to Bishop Ogbuogu, who visited Nnamdi Kanu at Sokoto prison, said that Nnamdi Kanu said that he has no business with who is in Finland. And who is in Finland? Simon Ekpa. He wrote him a letter telling him that he is not in support of his activities. I am very much aware of that letter, but when I told some people, those who have been brainwashed by someone, they refuse to accept and hear the truth. Today, the truth is finally out. I'm going to be allowing you to watch this video, but before you watch this video, I know you have seen it already. There is one lady that called herself whatever name the other Waleze. I have never seen a liar like that woman. For her name is Auja Ashi Anawarandoshi. Auja Ashi Anawarande terrorist. Oh no. Yeah, I'm going to play this video from onye autopilot Ibea Gragame edit. Sina na emere AI tinye olu bishop. Chai. The followers ekwere e deceive ha eri ha mugu, but na Ghana na AIT channel watch channel this video unu ga-ahụ na the bishop kwuru ya n'ọnụ ya na ọ sị na ya dere akwụkwọ onye nọ Finland na ya adịghịkwa in support of ihe ọ na-eme. But I have a problem with this video. Una watch video, more na watch, and watch with the extra curriculum. I watch with extra curriculum. Can you hear extra curriculum? Nnamdi Kanu bụ ụbọchị ọ pụtara bụ ekwu okwu si o na ọnwụ na-akpọpụta ya na prison 2 minutes ya ga-akwụsị enweghị nchekwa nọ n'ala Igbo. Mmadụ otu onye n'ime ndị na-ajụ ajụjụ bụ ndị journalist asị ya kedụkwana maka Simon Ekpa. Nnamdi emechi ọnụ ka m ji wee mara na enwere ihe gara n'okpuru ụgbọgụrụ. Agakọrọ mee nyocha wee chọpụta ihe mere Nnamdi ji ọ chọghị ịkpọ aha Simon publicly kama o dere leta secretly si akwụsịkwa ihe ọ na-eme. Simon ajụ onye bụ Simon na Nnamdi Kanu agaghị akpọnwụ ya aha publicly, but something is on that. Ọ ihe ndị a bụ ihe ndị m agaghị akwu, aga m etinye ọnụ na ya, aga m ekwu ya information na secret mma m ga-eji wee baa na grave. Aga m ekwu ya n'ihe ebelivi gwara m na etere ugbo etere azụ ndị a kwesịrị ụmụnne anyị kama ha bịaziri bịa na-eme ihe na-ekwesị ekwesị. Anachọbụ iji ohere na-agwakwa unu na vidio a m ga-eme gbasara Nnamdi Kanu na IPOB ihe gbasara ya ọ ga-end na this 2025. 2026 I'm moving to another level. I will not be longer talk about them again because I have achieved my aim of making sure na ndị kọsgara ya gbaghara karịsịa na ọkaigwe emutego ha. Ngwa get the video.
Anybody involved in any type of crime in the East cannot go free, and they're doing it because I'm in DSS. That's what. If I said no idiot can try this rubbish, and they know it very well. They know it very well, and I suspect that some people in government are complicit. Yes. They are making money with insecurity.
That's correct.
They're making money with it. They know Nnamdi Kanu is outside. In 2 minutes, this nonsense will stop. Who is the idiot? Who is the bagger? That will speak when I'm talking. Who is the fool? Who is the idiot? I ask. That I give an order in the East, and any idiot will counter it. Who is the bastard? I'm asking you. Nobody can.
Sir, are you
I'm Nnamdi Kanu. Who is the idiot? Simon Ekpa.
No, don't.
Pressed as I thought, because we went to comfort and encourage him so that I can remain stand strong, and then also share 1 or 2 things from the gospel with him so that we can also pray together, which we did. So I think if you ask me, he was even advising and encouraging us, telling me to tell the Biafran youths, the Igbo youths to calm down, and that they shouldn't take any law in their hands, that they should all be in the right frame of mind, that they shouldn't go to start destroying things, that the cause of the law is taking effect. He believed that the judgment was full of injustice, that as appeal court will certainly correct it. He showed me some irregularities in the charges in comparison to the sentences. Some of the things he was sentenced for were the things that happened while he was in DSS custody. So he was asking me, how could I have done these things in the custody of DSS? From him, I discovered that about 3 to 4 unknown gunmen in the East. One of them, according to him, is those imported from outside to destabilize the East so they can tag him with it. Number 2 is what he call economic or non-government, those who are making money from the situation, just leveraging on that to sap people. And the other one, the other guy in Finland, who he said he wrote a letter with his hand to him to let him know that he's not supporting what he's doing.
Ekwenyere m na watch go that video lee no or calendar or almanac or board of the Biafra exile. Una hụrụ Nnamdi Kanu na that picture. Una hụrụ Nnamdi Kanu na that picture. Here are evidence to tell you that these people have their own plan, their own different Biafra iche na nke ndị ọzọ na fight. My problem nwere bụ the ha mana ha wụ na wepụga Nnamdi Kanu n'ọnụ ha ga-lose followers. So ha mụrụ ma ha na-akpọ Nnamdi Kanu ka adịkwa ka the same Biafra ka a na-achọ. Biafra nke Simon dị iche na nke ndị ọzọ na dị iche. But Chineke abụọla ha ike. Ihere ga-emecha ha. Now, ihe ọzọ unu ga-aghọta, unu ga-evido unu mgbe somebody kpọrọ Simon Ekpa aha. Nnamdi Kanu could not say anything. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? And when a secret that made him that he will not say it. And that secret, I don't know why you're not public. Just share this video. Ka agbara eziokwu ama ka ihe ọjọọ na n'ala Igbo. Udo dịrị unu.